Are you looking to build your dream home?
We got you covered. You know, it's really hard to find a nice lot in a residential community in the Bay Area. If you're looking to build in Fremont or Los Altos or Palo Alto, it's non-existent, but we happen to have one. This lot over here is almost 7,500 square feet. You can build your dream home in a community which is so desirable. Amrit, what do you think?
You know, it's a big lot in Mission Hills, very close to Pleasanton, very close to the freeways. The house will fall under Washington High School. So I think it's an amazing opportunity, especially at this price. It's a bargain.
It is a bargain. Let's take a quick tour.
Thanks for taking the tour.
As you saw, it's a great opportunity, and if you have any questions, reach out to us anytime. We'll see you soon.